Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are making the thickest yogurt. It is so rich in protein. I use a crock pot because it is not metallic. For fermented foods, it is better not to use metallic dishes unless it is stainless steel. Also, I heat the milk and ferment in the same pot, so it is much more convenient. Here in the UK, I couldn't find raw milk yet, so I use whole organic milk from Organic Valley and it turned out great. I think it is because of the fat in the milk. So I turn the heat on, high heat in the crock pot and do my errands. I went to the gym that day for 2 hours, so it was bubbling when I came home and I turned it off and cooled it down until the temperature is somewhere where it does not burn my palm. Also, for yogurt starter, I use the thickest yogurt I found at the grocery store. You can use any yogurt you like as long as the yogurt container mentions that it has live cultures. After that, I just put it in my oven with the light on for 20 hours, so I know that the temperature will be warm and no one opens the pot. The next day the yogurt is ready, and now we turn this yogurt into Greek style. I use a wash tote bag. You can use a yogurt strainer or a cheesecloth. I don't have one, so I use a tote bag and it works perfectly. I leave it like this for a couple of hours. I think I left this one for 8 hours. Also, it is very important to choose your yogurt well because the new yogurt you are making will taste almost the same as that yogurt. So make sure the yogurt you are choosing is not sweet and not skimmed. And the yogurt is ready to eat. It is so gut-friendly. First, because it was fermented long enough, and all the lactose became lactic acid during those hours. And I also remove almost all the whey when straining. Overall, it becomes the yogurt I can enjoy without stomach pain. And plus, it is so rich in protein. The next day, it becomes much thicker and even more delicious. Enjoy!